Using the XLS automation functionality, Elecworks can automatically create instrument loop diagrams. As an example, this Excel spreadsheet contains a series of macros or circuits that it's going to use, and within those circuits the position of the circuits have been defined as 0, 0 and which drawing they're actually going to be placed in. Variables allow the user to actually manipulate individual pieces of information within the standard instrument loop template. So for example, the tag of the external device, the description of the external device, maybe the PLC description, the PLC tag, the junction box, the cable details. If we switch to Elecworks, start with a blank project in this instance, and I'm going to select Import Export Excel Automation, point to the spreadsheet I wish to use containing the data, select Open, and Elecworks will automatically create the instrument loop diagrams. This could be hundreds and hundreds of drawings, instantly done. We open one of those up. As you can see, the data that was in the Excel data is automatically shown within the drawings. On default components within the control panel, these are automatically incremented up to the next available component tag number.